बऱ्या प्रशासन उपक्रमांत तंत्रगिन्यानाचो वापर वाडोवपा खातीर शिक्षण क्षेत्रांत गोंयचो दर्जो वाडोवपा खातीर बिट्स पिलानीन गोंय सरकाराक सहकार्य करचें अशें आवाहन मुख्यमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंतान केलें. बिट्स पिलानी के गोवा बिर्ला कॅम्पस आनी शिवाजी विद्यापीठ हांच्या जोड पालवान भारत सरकाराच्या विज्ञान आनी तंत्रज्ञान स्तुती कार्यशाळेचें उक्तावण केले उपरांत तो उलयतालो. ही कार्यशाळा घडोवन हाडून गोंयांत तशेंच गोंया भायल्या संशोधकांक अत्याधुनीक उपकरणां दिल्ल्या खातीर बिट्स पिलानी हांचें मुख्यमंत्र्यान अभिनंदन केलें. ह्या वेळार बिट्स पिलानीचे संचालक समन कुंडू, शिवाजी विद्यापीठाचे संयोजक मनील कौशिक आनी हेर मानेस्त हाजीर आशिल्ले.
To increase the culture of innovation in India, and we have to pay the constant attention to two things: the social support and the institutional support. The acceptance of the innovations as a profession has increased in the society, and such situations have acceptance the new ideas and original thinking. I must congratulate the Department of the Science and Technology, the Government of India, the BITS Pilani Goa campus and Shivaji University Kolhapur for the good initiative to start the program STUTI Synergetic Training Program, utilize the scientific and technological infrastructures to sensitize and build the human resource and to make them aware of the publicity and funded by the S&T infrastructure from across the country. I have appeal the people and institutions to come forward and to adapt these institutions, thereby infuse the new and fresh approach and outlook to our make our children's the learning more effective and enjoyable. On the same line, I urge the BITS Pilani Goa to come forth and collaborate with the government of Goa for optimizing the output of the education sector to enhancing the use of the technology in welling the good governance initiatives. So there is a huge scope of the mutual collaborations. I'm sure that you will definitely respond the positive in these regards. Once again, I extend my best wishes to these STUTI programs and my best of luck for all the candidates, those who have joined from the state and out of the state for these programs.